I've done countless trips here to the Black Spur, and I've never seen anything like this before. For the last 4 winters now, I've made countless trips to the Black Spur in search of fog. It's this beautiful winding stretch of road through tall gums, about an hour and a half or so outside of Melbourne. But 3 weeks ago, I was witness to conditions that I never thought possible. I was having a normal lazy start to a Sunday morning at home with the family when I was sent a story by Sydney-based photographer Chester. He was at the Black Spur and it was white, covered in snow. So I packed up my family, wife Jo, son Remy, and we hit the road for the Black Spur. It's incredible. This trip to the Black Spur was such a special one, not only for the conditions, which who knows if we'll ever see again, but also Remy's first trip to the Black Spur. I'm sure the first of many. So I hope you enjoyed following along and some of the images I took from the morning. Thank you for hitting play.